Unique structures.
Khan-Shatyr, Kazakhstan. Situated in Astana, Khan-Shatyr is a modern shopping and entertainment center where a wide variety of shopping and leisure activities are found under one roof. It was designed by architect Norman Foster, and it was opened in 2010. Today it's one of Kazakhstan's main tourist attractions. It imitates the tent structure of the yurt, providing a constant reminder to urban Kazakhs of their roots out on the steppe. But that's not all. Khan-Shatyr is one of the world's most eco-friendly buildings. It has been provided with a see-through covering that helps to maintain a constant warm temperature inside whatever the weather. Its builders have also designed its distinctive shape to withstand high winds. It is a unique structure for all kinds of weather.
The Crystal, UK. Next to the waters of the River Thames, there is a remarkable building, the Crystal. It was designed by Wilkinson Eyre Architects and it opened in 2012. It contains an exhibition on sustainability where visitors are given the opportunity to explore issues such as energy, water, and the environment. The Crystal is the most eco-friendly building in London. It is covered with solar panels that provide all of its electricity, and engineers have installed special pipes which store extra energy underground. It also produces 90% of its own water by collecting rainwater and wastewater. The Crystal is a great example of how modern architecture has been made to work with nature to save the planet.